Hi, I'm Jono Bull. I've run several different businesses over the last 20 years or so, and I've sold some of them too. Right now, I'm running a window cleaning business with 12 guys working for me. Every year, revenue increases on the year before, and that's with basically no advertising. My golden rule? Well, each worker should be able to earn $1,000 each day they work. Now, I'm not going to keep these trade secrets to myself. I'm on a mission to empower yourself and other business owners like you with insider tips and strategies for success. And so that's why I have this upcoming video series. I'm talking efficiency hacks, scaling secrets, management skills, and other ways to improve how you run your business. You want to have a business that builds momentum of its own, where it just constantly grows, but without constant headaches. So scaling it, but without the stress, using my proven formula and without spending a fortune. So hit the follow button below and turn on notifications to keep up to date with every episode as it comes out. I'm Jono Bull, the Expert Coach.